Okay. All right, I'm riding the 200 RR 2023. Looks sweet. All stock. Let's go. Huh? Good. First impressions, it's a little more revvy. Seat feels great. He has a seat concept seat. This is stock suspension. The tires I'll have to be careful on because they're also stock tires. The front end wanted to wash on me a little there. A little more shifting. Suspension, what can I say about it? There's nothing really testing it right now. It's more interesting having to shift more on this bike, where you can be a lazy man on a Beta 300. Especially with the gear kind of. Josh is pretty far out now. Suspension feels a little choppy. Mine might feel a little more flush, but my suspension's been reworked. Right? This bike is funny. Like I said, a little more work on the shifting. Doesn't have the low end luggage, but keeping in the rev range is good. You hear it? It's sweet. Okay, I'll take my suspension. Thank you. Nothing is set up. It's not set up for my weight, sag, clickers. Wanted to lock me off a bit back there. Feels more compact than my Beta. I got my bars on a setting outward before the setting from myself. Yeah, the bike feels pretty compact. I have offset pegs on mine. I'm not that far behind Josh. Some bounce there. That was a good test of the suspension, and 3 pounds. Not good. Do that again. That's okay. The stock suspension on my race was not that great to start. I feel like suspension's kind of a must-do to get it to what you like, feel what you like. More confidence coming through this on mine than on this, but like I said, nothing's set up. It's not a knock against the bike. It just this bike's an RR. You know, I bet it feels wonderful in the slow stuff. This is the chunky section right here. A little more of a suspension test than that. Like I said, it probably needs some adjustment. Graham, I'm not criticizing your bike. It's a nice bike. I love the motor of these 200. They're sweet. They are. It's right in the wheelhouse. If you don't want a 300 or a 250 and you don't want to go all the way down to a 150, this is a good choice. You're not going to be underpowered. Not even shifting I'm sure gear in second or third here. I think this is stock gearing. I would mess with the compression and rebound a little bit. It works. Nothing to complain about. Nice. Beta 200RR 2023. Yes, sir. This is sweet. This bike has plenty of power.